There's one heck of a nice bushcraft seat with a backrest. Hey, good morning. I'm out for a short hike in the Dorothy Fox Forest. It's last day of September and it feels like it. Sunday it was 84 degrees Fahrenheit and took my last bike ride of the season, and this morning it was 39 degrees and we got a light northeast wind, so just out for a hike to enjoy the fall colors. It's beautiful right now. It smells so good in the woods. I got a hawk. Got a hawk up in one of those big pines. He sees me and he's making his presence known. I see him on the tree. I don't know if I can zoom in. I'll give it a try. Yeah, it's got to be a nice spot for him. It's a pretty good size opening and good for mice, squirrels, rabbits. So he's got good hunting here. Yeah, so it's just, could see a little bit of sun today, but chance of light slow flurries on the weekend, so it's time to get out and enjoy it while I can. Not gonna cook nothing for lunch today, but I got my light hammock in the back with an insulated pad, and I'll have an apple, a little bit of water, and just let the day take me here. This is a lot of trails, a lot of open spaces, and how inviting is that? Look at that. Everywhere you look, just such beauty. Yeah, this is close to my home, so short drive in the car. They had done some logging in here, some selective cutting, and we're just about done there. You see some of their equipment parked out by the trailhead, so I don't think I'll hear anything, or most likely not see anybody back here. Oh yeah, feels good. It's good to get out and take a nice hike. Been enjoying a lot of videos on YouTube. It's a wonderful thing. I'm pretty much given up on television. There is nothing there. And there is such quality videos on YouTube. And whether it's you're looking for information or or just looking to see a different part of the world, it's fantastic. Hawk circling there now. It's kind of following me a bit. You can see off to the side here, There's the ferns have been frosted, and that's coyote droppings. So I have plans to come back in here late evening, set up my hammock, and just listen for owls and coyotes. My back is still not gonna let me get that wild camp in without some serious suffering. And I'm coming into winter, and I don't want to do any serious damage to myself. So I'm just going to do these day outings, which are wonderful, you know. It's not sleeping in your tent at night, though, which is the ultimate prize as far as I'm concerned. Don't get much better. Yeah, I'm here where they did some cutting, some selective cutting. See the wood there. And I'm it's so beautiful here, you just don't know which way to go. You know, I could go up that way. Winds off to the north and northwest. And it's all beautiful, goes out into a big opening. And this way goes to the northeast corner of the Dorothy Fox. And I think that's the way I'm going to head. Two roads, you know. Got to pick. Save that other one for another day, or I could connect up on the north end and come back through that way. Just have to see how I'm doing. Let the day take me. Hard to pass up a day like this. Fall is, to me, my favorite season, and it's short-lived. I'd say we're at peak for fall colors, or, you know, very close. Some tree leaves are already down, so you could almost say in areas that were past peak. Well, hope everyone's well. Thanks again for all your videos you put up there. They're just, you know, you can't even put into words how great they are. I appreciate them. And that's where I'm headed, up that way. Find a spot and listen to the leaves. They're making a special sound this time of year. Those aspens are drier, and they got a different sound than spring or summer. So, take care everyone, and get out there however you can. Bye.